Alright class, so we've been talking a lot about geometric shapes in the past couple weeks. Can you guys think of different shapes that we've talked about?
Square.
Square? Alright, anyone else?
Triangle.
What?
Triangle.
I said triangle.
What grade are
Circle.
A circle.
we? If I say polyhedron, is
You
that
guys
too
are
high?
first graders. Alright, that's a pretty good list. So, what about this makes it a square? How do we know that this is a square?
4 sides.
4 sides? Right, so we can say 4 sides.
4 equal sides.
And they're equal sides. What about the circle?
It's round.
It's round. Is there anything else about the circle that we know? Do you guys know, this is pretty challenging for you guys. Do you know how many degrees are in a circle?
360.
Wow, awesome job.
That's why he gets the A's.
That is awesome. So where do we see some of these shapes in our community? On the playground? Do you guys see shapes on the playground ever?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Sometimes at recess?
Mm-hmm.
Where would we see, circle, where would we see a circle on the playground?
Basketball hoop.
That's not the ground.
What?
It's not on the ground.
Oh, it has to be on the ground.
It could,
No,
it
he
could
said
be
on
on
What
the
about like
playground.
just a ball in itself?
Oh,
Mhm.
yeah, there you go. A ball is a circle. Alright, so today we're going to get into groups and we're going to show each other how much we know about shapes. Alright, so I got the groups and I'm going to put Dan with Justin with Greg. You guys are all a group.
Awesome.
Sounds good.
And every group needs one iPad. Alright, so you only pick one iPad from the cart over here. Alright, so you guys, group 1, get your iPad first.
Okay.
And then I'll get the other groups.
Sorry, I'm iPad illiterate. Even though I'm taking an iPad class.
There you go. Okay, so today we are going to find shapes not only in our community, but in our very own classroom. Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay. I know this room's a little bit hard to find some pretty cool shapes, but we're going to try our best. And I know you guys can do it. So,
Does it have to be those 3 shapes?
What if we added a rectangle to the list?
we need to raise our hands if we have questions, guys. Yes, Greg?
We should add rectangle to the list.
We should add a rectangle for this?
Yeah.
Well, that's
Yes.
another shape. You could use that with your group if you want.
Okay.
You guys can choose any geometric shape you want, any one that you can find in the room. Alright, so, does everyone see this camera app? Raise your hand if you see the camera app. So we're going to click on the camera app. And then, we got to get that out of the way. And let's say I see, let's see, this eraser as a shape. Okay? So I'm going to put this eraser on the ground and take a picture of it. See my picture? Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Have you guys worked with Educreations yet? There's this app called What do you think Educreation starts with? What letter?
A.
Could start with A. Anyone else have an idea?
E.
Alright, so it's going to be in this one over here, presentations. Starts with a P. And then you see a little icon with a triangle on it. Alright, and then click that one open. And it's going to bring you to this white page. And each of your groups are going to put the image into there by clicking this one. You see the little mountain on there? You got it? Oh, do you have a problem, Dan?
What do I do here? I'll hit done. Okay.
Okay, yeah, if that throws up, you just push the blue. It starts with the D. Alright, and then we're going to put our image in. So if you click down, you see this and it says photos. Photo starts with a P. And that's kind of weird. And then you got to find your photo. So look, I find my eraser in here. Alright, and then each group, you need a speaker. Alright, I'll write these down on the board. You need a speaker, a writer, and a drawer. So the speaker is going to be the one to record over here. The writer is going to be the one to write, and that's this T over here, so you can write in stuff like this and what you think your shapes are and what makes your shape a shape. And then the drawer at the very end, you get to pick any color you want. Super cool. We got 4 colors. So let's say I want to pick green. I can just pick the green there, and then you just draw around your shape. So what do you think my shape is again? What is that kind of shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Yep. And then I'm just going to record after I put my text in of what makes a rectangle a rectangle. Alright? Alright guys, listen up. So once you guys are getting done with your new lessons that you made, after you saved it, it's going to go to this page. Does everyone see this page? Raise your hand if you see this page. Awesome. So we see it right here. And then we're going to go all the way down. Oops, my bad. We're going to go all the way down to this corner. You see this little circle? We're going to click on that, and it's going to say Dropbox. We've seen this icon before, right? With the little open box. We're going to click on that so we can put it into our group class Dropbox there. So do that after you're done.